There's a little cat. It's an amazing sky. Holy moly. All this lightning. No real kind of... It's all around. So strange. See how it's like not in the same spot all the time? Just electricity. But I don't want to stay outside in it because it's a bit scary. So I'm just going to pop back inside. It's beautiful and cool, but it's so kind of eerie. Very eerie. Whoops. Open the door. And shut the door. See if I can get it to focus again. There we go. A couple of nights ago that was so scary. And it's still a bit scary because it's electricity. Just from the sky, you can't know what it's going to do. But it's just... What is that lightning? Weird, right? I haven't seen lightning like this. Bugs attacking me. It's just amazing. But it is lovely and light. Outside. Go away, bug. I've been sweaty all day. Just can't seem to... Can't be okay out here. And I think 2 nights ago it was so stormy and loud and so windy. It was rocking the caravan. But this time it seems all the lightning is silent, but still nearby somewhere. The lightning was just in this field here on Monday, 2 days ago. I mean, this lightning's all around. Whoops. It's hard to not get anything else in the window of it. It's hard to show you all of it. Isn't it brilliant? And that's how far the house is away from where I am. Just on a bit of land. It's just too hot here for me. Isn't it amazing? Anyway, it's very bright. And kind of scary, and cars out in the weather. That's my car still with me. I'm gonna get the car restored. Anyway, if anyone wants to help, that'd be great. I can't hold this up forever. Have a good one. Think about people out in this. So really scary in a way. Anyway, good night.